Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Décor store website using Shopify. Now be sure to check the link in the descriptions for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First we're going to click here on the top right on products, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on add product, and we're going to start filling in the blanks and uploading the products that we're going to have on our online store. So first we're going to start with our title. For example, I'm going to start with my modern bathroom oh, bathroom decor. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to choose a description. So we can either use the built-in AI of Shopify to put a text here and generate a description, or we can use our AI of choice. For me, I'm just going to use ChatGPT. So I'm going to go over here. You can see that I already have the prompt ready. I'm going to just paste it here. And as you can see, we have our description ready. So we are going to move to the media section. Here we're going to click on upload new, and we're going to select the image of our product. So for example, I'm just going to choose this one, and once it's done processing, you can see that it's going to show right here. So below our image we have the category section. Normally Shopify is going to automatically choose a category, sorry, for our product, and it's usually going to be correct. So if we want to change it, we are just going to click here and we can change it if we so wanted. Here we're going to put the price of our product. Now let's say that we're going to charge 10,000 pesos for our product, and here we can put the cost per item. Now let's say that each of these decor is going to cost us 7,000, so we're going to have a 3,000 pesos profit with a 30% margin. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of inventory. And for shipping, since we're also not going to do any shipping, we're just not going to put any weight here. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go here on the right. Here you can see that we can put the product type, our vendor, and add the product to our collections. So what we're going to do is we're going to add here the product to our home page. And if we also want, we can tag our product with different tags over here. For example, I'm going to put Décor, and as you can see, the tag has been added. So once we have finished customizing our product, we are going to go over here on the top bottom to save. We're going to click it, and if we go back, you can see that we have added our first product. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add product here on the top right again, and I'm going to finish uploading all of the products that I'm going to have on my online store. So I'll see you guys in a while. So once we have finished uploading all of our products, you can see here that I have added a cozy kitchen decor, a cozy living room decor, a modern bathroom decor, and a Victorian bedroom decor. So what we're going to do next is we're going to customize our online store. So we're going to click here on online store, and the first thing that we're going to see is that we can change the theme of our store. Now if we go down, you can see here that we have a lot of free themes that Shopify is going to provide us with. Or if we go over here to visit theme store, we're going to click it, and as you can see, this is going to redirect us to the Shopify theme page. Now here we have a lot of different themes that we can use, we can buy, that could better suit our website. But for me, I'm just going to stick with the default for now. So once we are back here, we're going to click here on customize, and here we're going to have a lot of different sections. You can see here that if we click on the section, it's going to tell us how it's named, and it's going to be outlined by a blue line. And here on the right, we're going to have a lot of options to customize our section. For example, I'm going to choose an image to be displayed on our image banner. So I'm going to click here on select image. We're going to add image and I'm going to choose one image, for example, this one, and I'm going to wait for it to be uploaded. Once it's uploaded, I'm going to click here on done. And as you can see, the background for our image banner has now been changed. So once we have changed our image, if we go down, we have a lot of other options to further customize our sections. If we want to play with them, you are free to do so. For me, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on our heading and I'm going to change the text, for example, to welcome to my home decor website. So as you can see here, the text has changed. Now, let's say that we want to add another section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go here on template and we're going to click on add section. Here there's going to appear a lot of different options. We have featured collections, featured products, collection list, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on a featured product, and here as you can see a new section is going to appear at the bottom. I'm going to click it, and here on the right on the featured product section we're going to click on select product and we're going to choose a product to be displayed here on our website. For me, I'm going to choose, for example, my Victorian bedroom decor, and you can see that it is now being displayed here. Now let's say that we want to change things up a little bit. For example, I'm going to change the color scheme of my section. I'm going to put a dark theme over here, and as you can see, the background for my section has now changed. Another thing that we can do is we can either add a section to our footer over here or to our header. You can see that if I click on add a section, we can add a announcement bar, a custom liquid if we know how to code, amongst other things. Now, another very important thing about our header is that here where it says my store, it's going to display our store name. So if we want to change the name of our store, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes. We're going to go back to the home page of Shopify over here on the top left, and we're going to click on name your store. Once we are here, we're going to choose a name. I'm just going to put a home decor over here, and if we go back to our online store, we're going to click on customize again. You can see that here the name of on our header has now changed. Now the last thing that we want to do before moving on from our online store is we're going to click here on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and here we can see is if everything is just the way we want it. Once we have checked up with our online store and see that our website is customized the way that we want, we're going to go to the analytics and marketing section of Shopify. Now guys, this is a very important section. Here we can see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot of different information that is going to really help us to customize and manage our store all from the same place. Lastly, another very important and interesting section is here in the discount section. We're going to click here on add discount. We're going to choose a amount of product, and here we can customize and create our own discount to post on social media, gift to our friends, or however we would like to use it. So first we're going to choose a code for our discount. We can either make Shopify generate a random code for us, or we can just put one customized the way we want. For example, I'm going to put home decor 101. As you can see now, my code would be this one. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to choose which kind of discount is going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage discount, and I'm going to put, for example, that's going to be a 10% discount. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to choose which collections our discount is going to be applied to. So we're going to click here on browse, and we're going to choose our home page. So now this discount would be eligible for our home page. If we go down, we can see that we have further options to customize our discount. For example, we can choose if we're going to need any minimum purchase requirements for it to be eligible, the customer eligibility for our discount, the maximum amount of usage that it's going to have, the combinations that it's going to be able to make, and if we go here on the bottom, we can set an end date to our discount. For example, if it's the 8, let's going to choose the 15 so that our discount would only be eligible for a week. Once we have finished setting up our discount, we're going to click here on save discount, and if we go back, you can see that we would have our first discount ready. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description again for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.